Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, September the 13th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the Jacksonic with 4 stars and the binary. It's binary time, yes, boys and girls. And this will be number 5168. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Here we have 3 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Interesting. Now, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. And then I need to think. How about, let me see. We need to compare. Yeah, we need to compare here. This row and that row. Empty box. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 1's comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 3 O's, 3 ones we have here. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this second row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. And now, well. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Between the 1's comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then need to compare again. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Yeah. This row I cannot compare. 101. Do we have a 101 here? Yeah, but it's not the same, so I cannot compare the rows. How about the columns? Here we have a double 1. Here double 1. Okay. This column and that column. Okay. 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box. 1 1 empty box. 0 0. Need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have O here. This should be a 1. Double O. Here 1. There 1. 1 2 3 4 1. So the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4. Yes. Completed in 5 minutes. Exactly. Well, need to compare twice, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars on. Until then, bye bye for now.